Agen, a budget-friendly stay in the heart of Agen. Welcome to Premiere Classe Agen, a cozy and affordable one-star hotel located in the charming city of Agen, France. Situated in the heart of the city, this hotel offers a convenient base for both business and leisure travelers seeking comfortable accommodation at an unbeatable price. With a total of 49 rooms, Premiere Classe Agen provides a range of options to suit every guest's needs. Whether you're traveling alone, with a partner, or in a group, you'll find a cozy and well-appointed room waiting for you. Each room is designed with your comfort in mind, featuring modern amenities and a soothing ambience to ensure a restful night's sleep. Check-in at Premiere Classe Agen begins at 5 p.m., allowing you to start your stay in Agen at your own pace. The friendly and attentive staff will be ready to assist you upon arrival, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free check-in process. If you have any special requests or need recommendations for exploring the city, don't hesitate to reach out to the knowledgeable hotel team. To make the most of your time in Agen, be sure to check out by 12 p.m. on the day of your departure. This gives you ample time to enjoy a leisurely breakfast or pack your belongings without feeling rushed. The hotel's convenient checkout time allows you to optimize your schedule and make the most of your stay. Please note that Premiere Classe Agen has a child policy in place. While children are welcome to stay at the hotel, there may be extra charges involved. It's best to contact the hotel directly for more information regarding the child policy and any additional fees that may apply.